Intrusive thoughts. I am plagued by intrusive thoughts.
Hey, do you feel comfortable with me? You will never see this camera again.
Look at this rig. What a freaking rig. you bro, you're massive bro, you're massive. We're starting off in the Botanical Gardens and you can see the city backdrop behind me. And we're gonna be walking to the Opera House, through to Circular Quay, which is kind of the main port for where all the ferries in the harbour go. It connects all throughout the city. We'll talk about that a little bit later. And then into the historical district called the Rocks, and we'll end it at the Harbour Bridge. I got a wish list that I want to tick off today. At the Opera House, there's this famous seal. He always hangs out by the water, and I want to see if he's hanging out today. Secondly, while we're in Circular Quay, I would like to get a moody shot of a ferry in the water. Obviously, we'll try and get some snacks. Albert, for some reason, hasn't eaten all day today. Get some food. And honestly, part of my wish list, and I know I sound a bit insane, but I'm hoping it will rain, just a little bit.
Should we do a rain dance?
There we go, rain dance. God, we're idiots. We have no shame in public, so it's fine. Now, hello? Yeah, boys. Yeah, the boys. They saw our rain dance.
Return to monk.
Return to monk. Oh, that's hilarious. The last thing I want to tick off is climbers on the Harbour Bridge. If we spot anyone on the bridge, I'm gonna try and get a really cool shot of them.
Hey, look, hidey hole.
Secret hole, secret hole, secret tunnel. I used to come here a lot for Vivid. They basically convert this entire park to a light show. And it's really cool. I have come here for lunch as well, and I've come here for a previous video. I think some of my best photos of the Sydney Harbour has come from this place here. However, before this video started, I was flying my drone and doing the B-roll around here. Now, I didn't know this, neither did Albert, but after I landed, a bunch of cops came to us, and I thought I flew somewhere that I wasn't supposed to. But it's because the king is here. The king, at the moment, is at our, I don't know, government house or something.
He's at the Kirribilli house.
Which is just across the water here. There's the federal police over there, and they have these scanners, essentially, that they said.
They've got like a whole command post set up.
Probably just
AFP, they've got like a whole room.
Oh, so they
and
probably
stuff.
literally spotted the drone and be like...
Yeah. They've
okay.
got jammers and stuff, like if you fly them too close, they'll jam them.
So they spotted my drone in the air, pinged it, and then pinged my location. And then we got surrounded by cops like shortly after.
Remember when I pointed at them out, I was like, hey, look, there are cops.
Yeah,
They're off.
and I was like, no, it's fine. But lo and behold, oh, that's why the helicopter was going around as well. So yeah, you were right. Oops. Anyway, what's in front of me, which you guys haven't seen, is the Opera House.
And there's a lot of people.
Yeah, there's a lot of people here. Looks like there's some sort of event. It also looks like it's blocked off the steps. We're gonna have to go around to the backside of the Opera House, which is fine, because that's where the seal chills out. Back end of the Opera House. All right, there are people hanging out where the seal hangs out. So they're, look at this guy. No way. Wait a second, I know what that is.
That's a cool pic.
That's a cool pix. For you guys, a cool pix is a Nikon camera that is designed to zoom into the moon. Essentially does like moon shots, right? 1000x zoom. Now, she's situated there, pointing at Kirribilli House. She's trying to spot the king.
He's got a cool pic.
It's not a good camera at all. Your voice.
What if I talk over you? What if I talk you? Ow.
I've taken photos here like 1,000 times, so honestly, I'm not inspired to take any extra photos.
Hey, do you feel comfortable with me?
Yeah? Why? It goes whoop. Oh, look, there are climbers. There are climbers at the top there. Oh. I can do my shot.
You can do it. You can do it. Please hold that.
I don't know, talk to it. You can...
Does it see me like I see it?
Yeah. So, this is where I'm gonna tick off my,
Damn, I look good.
Oh, dude, we're gonna get it.
You're
What a
gonna get
shot.
Hey, Jules.
Yeah.
Say goodbye to camera.
Goodbye.
You will never see this camera again.
unlike Jules, I don't particularly like the harbour. I mean, it's nice, but it's too many people, way too many tourists. Fantastic photo opportunities everywhere. Great for street photography. Some of my best street photos have come from here.
How do you find the Sony?
Oh.
I've got a Fuji and I'm thinking of switching over to Sony because I'm sick of the autofocus.
Man, I had a Nikon.
He's finally come for it. Did you get like a bunch of people come up to you and go, hey, that guy ran off with your camera?
No, I had a conversation with a guy about a camera, and this other dude just asked me about if I saw the seal. Did you have a fun time?
I did.
Yeah?
I spoke to the camera.
Yeah?
I told him my feelings.
I'm gonna find out what he said.
It told me its feelings.
What did you tell him? What did you tell him? So this guy is a Sydney celebrity. He will be here almost every single day, and that's his spot. That's why all of this is blocked off as well. They know that this is where he goes, and he just sleeps there every single day, or some days. I want to make this point. It's a bit weird that you see a seal come here every single day, considering how many sharks are actually in the harbour. Because there are sharks in the harbour.
Knows all the sharks by name.
Yeah, it's a local. It's like, hey Bruce. Anyway, so for the photo that I just took, I wanted to use this as a bit of a leading line into the Harbour Bridge as well. I think it looked cool. You get to tick that off, and now we're closer to food. Let's go get food. So Quay has a bunch of restaurants. It's the main port as well. You can see all these ferries that are going in and out, and that's where they go. You can access anywhere in Sydney just from this terminal.
I understand.
I had a very sudden urge, like I was holding my hand out over there. I had a sudden urge to just let go, yeah. It was weird. You know how when you stand on the edge and you want to jump off? Obviously you're not gonna.
It's intrusive thoughts, right?
Yeah, intrusive thoughts. I am plagued by intrusive thoughts. A lot of people have gelato though.
Some would say gelato.
I think someone said gelato.
I think someone said gelato.
Someone said gelato.
Oh, sprinkles.
Dude, this guy got sprinkles. Where do you get?
Cookie Monster, which is just vanilla and I think biscuit.
He got it because it's blue.
Because I got it, yeah. And blueberry cheesecake.
I got chocolate or Rocher and hazelnut. Solid gelato choice. Intrusive thoughts. I was gonna ask Albert, hey, can I taste that? And just do.
Play the clip.
See what that tastes like.
That guy is a Sydney legend. He hangs around all around the city. He's been on the news. He's everywhere.
Dude,
He's a legend.
I used to see him all the time in Burwood after school when I was in year 7.
Yeah, I used to see him a lot in Newtown as well. He's such a sick guy. He always wears that flyer and he just goes around. Moody shot, I found a Moody shot. All right, the Moody shot is gonna have to come in the edit, but I think I'll be able to do it with the cloud cover being overcast. All right, so we're heading up to the rocks now. It's like a cultural and gathering hub of people. Like I said, there is a ton of restaurants here. There's usually markets around here as well. It's a good hangout spot to come and like start your night before you go out.
This limo can't fucking make this corner. It's actually funny.
It's like a 4-drive.
Almost.
So you see down there, all along here, restaurants and bars that you can stop at. And we're gonna walk into pretty much the heart of it here. Anyway, there's a lot of live music here, and this is why we started seeing people. It's Oktoberfest. This whole place is basically made out of sandstone. Some parts of it's carved into the actual sandstone. This area is very, very historical. I think I read online that this was the first town centre of Australia, but this was after they kind of stole the land from the indigenous. Has a nice view.
Thanks.
You are a really nice view. I've paid this guy 2 compliments, both a rig and a nice view. And what do I get out of it?
Slap
Friendship.
the ass.
Whoa. Okay. I've taken that exact photo. He tried. This bridge connects the north side of Sydney to the city and the south side of Sydney. So it is a very, yeah, it is a bit hot. It is a very integral, you know, bridge to connect the 2 rivers. And they built it first. It was the first bridge that ended up connecting over the river. Before they ended up building other bridges, it was so important to make sure that the city grows really and connects both sides. It's really nice. You can actually walk across it as well. Poppy. 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 For one of my birthdays, I climbed the Harbour Bridge, my mum and I. She treated me to it. And it was such an awesome experience to climb it. It was on a day like this, so the photos were very overcast. But it was so fun to go and climb it, because you basically trace the steps of how the climbers built the actual bridge, because they set up those walkways obviously to, you know, access those different parts. So it was really cool. Very cool experience. I'll see if I can find a photo and flick it up on the screen.
Alright guys, it's Julio in the better form. We've had such an amazing day. I've loved every single bit of Sydney. I love the Opera House, I love the Harbour Bridge.
Couldn't have summed it up better than me, to be honest with you. Yep, basically we've ticked off all the iconic parts of Sydney. This bridge, Opera House, it's definitely worth the hype if you guys ever come around. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.